Ultimate Garage. Today we're going to road test the 69 GTO convertible we got in. It's a beautifully restored convertible in antique gold, the correct color, with every power option known to mankind that ever came on a 69 GTO. You've probably seen the walk-around video of the car. Now we'll take you for a little ride in it to prove to you it really is a GTO. It is equipped like a luxury car. At the heart of it is still a Potiac GTO 1969. This rare car has air conditioning, power seats, power windows, tilt wheel, factory cruise control, AM/FM radio from the factory, power top, all the goodies. It does have an aftermarket stereo system, a megawatt stereo CD and cassette system hidden in the glove box, with a remote control system attached to the steering column. It looks like a factory unit. I've driven this beautiful car about 250 miles and it's an absolute dream to drive. Long distance or a quarter mile, whatever makes you happy. There's the stereo system. Go up here and turn around and take it back a little bit. Still goes great after all these years. 1969, that's the original engine, transmission, and rear end in this car too. It still drives like a factory GTO. Oh yeah. We are Fleming's Ultimate Garage in Rockville, Maryland. Our phone number is 301-816-1000.